Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily allow stretch resolution in Fortnite. So stretch resolution is popular in many competitive games because it allows you to be able to aim and acquire targets easier as the opponent will appear wider. It can also reduce your input lag by reducing the stress on your GPU as well as increase your FPS and field of view. So let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So first off, you'll need to open some files. So search for the Run app or use Windows plus R. Then type or copy paste this in. %local app data %, then click OK. Find Fortnite game, then saved, then config, then Windows client. Right click on this ini file, click on properties, untick read only, apply, then OK. Open it up and look for resolution size X and Y, last user confirmed resolution X and Y, and desired screen width and height, and last user confirmed desired screen width and height. So you want to change size in X and Y into the resolution you want by changing these numbers here. The most popular stretched resolution is 1680 by 1080, but you can go even lower up to 1280 by 1080 or 1024 by 768 if you aren't sure that your PC could run higher stretched resolutions. Then scroll again and change desired and last user confirmed screen width and height to the same resolution too. Then save. Exit and open properties again and click read only again to lock the settings. After that, open NVIDIA control panel by right clicking on your desktop, then go to display and then change resolution. If you don't have the NVIDIA control panel, you can download it for free through your browser or through the Microsoft Store. Select your highest possible refresh rate, then select customize. Tick the enable resolutions not exposed by display box. Then create your own custom resolution. Here you can change your custom resolution. I've already created my custom resolution, but you could just click on test and agree to the changes once you've changed your own. Then click on your new custom resolution here and click apply. Don't worry about the black screens, it's simply your PC adjusting to your resolution settings. So once you've done that, go to display and then adjust desktop size and position. Make sure you are on full screen on your main monitor and keep your scaling on GPU and make sure override is ticked. Once you've done these steps, when you open the game, it should be in the stretched resolution. But if you really want to get the stretched res that we had back in the original Fortnite, we could use island code 943090121796. Alright, so now we're here in the island. Yeah, look at that. Here you could change your resolution from these options. Yeah, it's a pretty fun island. That's pretty much all of it, guys. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.